Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing prom dresses from Boohoo. Now all of these dresses are under the £30 mark, so they're really affordable, and I'm going to try them on and I'll link them down below in the order that I put them on so you guys can get them if you would like to. Now I'm usually a UK size 8 or a size small, but I will put my measurements down below so you can compare. I'll jump to the first one now, so I hope you guys enjoy. The first dress I'm going to show you guys is this navy one. Now I just fell in love with this, and it actually is the cheapest. This is currently £13.50, and they also do it in a black as well, I think also with gold. But it's just got this lovely like ruched cup detailing and then these gold sequins, and I think this is just such a simple fit, but it's so gorgeous. And I mean, for prom, isn't that just stunning? And it's got lining, it's not super thin, it's actually quite nice quality, and I mean for the price it's just crazy. I couldn't believe it when I saw it. Now I got this one in a size 8, so I'm just going to put this one on and we can see what it looks like. But it has a lovely peephole in the back as well, so it's got a lot of really sweet detailing. So I think it would be a lovely option for prom, but let's see how it fits. So this is how it fits, and I'm actually really impressed with the fit of this one. I can't quite get over the price and the fit, it just all seems too good to be true, but I think the top fit's gorgeous, the back of it is stunning. Like, I really love that sort of design with the peephole, and it just fits really lovely. Only thing about it is that it's too long, which is a really minor issue, to be honest. So this is what it looks like. So lengthwise, I mean, it's too long. Even with my heels, it kind of is still on the floor, but you can always shorten it, and it is just, it's just lovely. Like, I'm quite surprised by this one, because for £13, I was expecting there to be a catch somewhere, but I've got to say, it's quite gorgeous, and I love the top and back of it. I mean, that's just stunning. And for prom, this is just so prom-like, if that makes sense. Like, it's just your typical kind of style. So, no, I really like this one. So the next dress I'm going to show you, I actually got in 2 colours. Now this one is slightly more expensive than the last, but only by a whopping £1.50. So these dresses are £15, and I fell in love with this plum colour. I just thought that's going to look so gorgeous. And they're a really safe fit. They're kind of just like a nice bodycon off the shoulder, and they do have a lovely slit going up one leg. So they're still really classy, but also just have that little bit of sexiness about them. And I thought you just can't go wrong with a red dress. Now I know they don't look like much on a hanger, but I think, you know, with your body inside them, they can look really killer. So I'll just throw these ones on and we can see how they fit like. This is how the plum one fits, and I love the colour of it, and I love the potential that is there, but I do recommend sizing down. This is the 8, and it's just quite large around my waist, and that's kind of an area that I want to be, you know, quite accentuated, especially when I've got, you know, a nice evening dress to wear. But I love the colour and I love the style of it. I just recommend, if you're going to try this one, you know, go down a size. I think it's really cute, the neckline and the off the shoulder, and you can put them up as well depending what sort of style you're after. But yeah, it just comes up a little bit big around the waist. That would be my guidance. But it does have quite a high slit, which, you know, can look pretty cute, and then the rest of it is just really lovely. And what's nice about this one is it's a lovely length. It's not tripping me up. So I'm 5'5", and with a nice pair of heels, it's pretty much bang on lengthwise. So just be careful with the excess fabric, but you could always, you know, put a nice little belt with it or something like that, so you could jazz it up a little. But no, I love the colour of this one, and to be honest, I love the style of it. Just needs a little bit of help with the fit. This is how the red one fits, and I love the colour of it, but again, it has the exact same fit issue as the plum one, but apart from that, I think it's lovely. Like, it does fit nice around my hips and at the top. It just needs a bit of help around the waist. So I would try sizing down or try accessorising maybe with a belt, but overall, I think it's a really lovely style. It's very flattering. I think the slit just adds that little bit something extra. Like, it's really nice, and what's nice is the slit is on the side of the dress, so you're not going to have to worry about it like creeping into the middle. It's very much on the side, so it still shows a nice amount of leg without flashing anyone, so we like that. And in doing so, it also can show off your shoes because one whole leg is out, so it's a nice way of showing off your footwear choice. But I really love this one. I love the colour, and I mean, this neckline is so flattering. You can wear a really nice necklace with it and just jazz it up a bit, but it's just so cute. I really like these ones, and for the price, there's a lot of potential here, for sure. So the next dress I got is this gorgeous summery dress. Now I fell in love with this, and it is floor length, it's kind of like a maxi style, and I just thought, styled right, this could look lovely for prom, even though it's a bit more of a casual kind of summer look. Because it still is, you know, it's still a gown, it's got lots of layers to it, it's floor length, so I think if you dress this up right, it could still look fabulous for prom. And I just thought it's got such a sweet neckline, being like bandeau with these little off the shoulder cuffs. I just fell in love with it, so I'm excited to see how this one's going to look on, because I think this one's got quite a lot of potential. I really love this one. I just forgot to mention, this one is £22.50, so a little bit more, but really not a lot in terms of a prom dress, so could be quite a stunning option. This is how this one fits, and I mean, it's just gorgeous. It's so feminine. I love how simple the top is. It's just a very simple kind of bandeau fit and flare dress, and then you've just got these lovely, almost mesh cap sleeves. I just think it's stunning, and I really love the fabric. It's just lovely, and it doesn't have any slits. So it's just a really kind of elegant option, but it's very much movable because it's not too tight. It's just a lovely option, I think. And I think it still looks prom dressy, like it doesn't come across to me as a summer dress or a maxi dress with nice heels and a bag. I think this looks very dressy, so no, I think this is a lovely option. I love this one. The next dress I picked is this beautiful nude option, and I just fell in love with how simple this dress was. I love that it's all like sequins up top with just a simple kind of V-neck crisscross neckline, and then the skirt is just plain and kind of flowy, and it does have a slit, so I do like my slit, so I think this is going to be lovely. And I do think this comes in black as well if this isn't your colour. So I'm just going to throw this one on. I'm excited to see how it fits, and it does have kind of a built-in skirt to here, and then it is just flowy underneath, so it might almost look mesh-like past your butt kind of area. Don't know if it'll show. You can kind of see through it. But let's see what this one looks like on and go from there. And this one was £26 for those of you who are wondering, so not bad for a dress like this. This is a really nice kind of evening dress, I think. This is what it looks like on, and now this, it's just quite an oversized fit, so I would recommend sizing down. And I do like it, but I don't think, it's not my colour at all. But what's quite nice is it's got these open panels here, but then it has a built-in panel like underneath, so you don't have to worry about like flashing people. So it's got quite a nice bit of safety there. And then the skirt's of it just needs something to kind of cinch in the waist, in my opinion. But apart from that, I think it's a very lovely shape dress. I wouldn't normally go for this colour for myself. I prefer like a richer colour. But I mean, if this is your colour, this is a lovely dress option, I think. So this is what it looks like. So this next dress is this beautiful kind of bluey grey option, and I mean, this one feels really nice quality. It's quite thick, the fabric, and I really love the detailing up top. You're gonna just have to wait till I put it on to see how it kind of fills out. But I love the kind of design of it, and it does almost have built-in cups, so you can see there the stitching, so it does have some shape to it, and it has that kind of like sticky stuff that strapless bras have, so hopefully it will stay up quite nice when you're dancing the night away. But it also has a slit, so let's just see what this one looks like on. I think this is going to be a really nice fit, I can just tell. And this one is £30, so not too bad, but the higher end of this video. This is how it fits, and I mean, it is gorgeous, and I can't quite tell if this strap is meant to like dangle like this. I think it might be, because that like feels natural, but then it also might want to match this side. I'm not sure. Only thing I would say, I've got like this kind of big fold of fabric here, so I don't know what I'm doing wrong. It's just part of the cup here, so I don't know if maybe it is just slightly big for me, but I really love the colour. Only thing I would say, this fabric is not forgiving, so you have to make sure all your underwear is seam free, and I mean, just, yeah, the fabric is just a bit clingy, to say the least. But I love the colour, and I do love the style of this dress, and it does have a nice slit, but it is just that little bit too tight in places and that little bit too loose in others. So it's got a lot of potential, and I do see the potential because I do love the kind of ruche top, and I would still wear this even though it's like too tight on my hips a little bit. It's workable, but just keep that in mind. But I do really like it. I think it kind of gives me Ice Queen vibes, which I'm here for. So it is workable, it's almost a little bit baggy around the waist, but only slightly, so it just might need a little bit of help to be perfect, but It's definitely got potential. I just don't know what I'm doing here. Maybe I'm wearing it wrong. I'll link it down below so you can check the model. I'm probably doing something funky with it, but it's definitely cute, just not quite perfect. So the last dress I got is this gorgeous kind of pleated black option. Now this one was also £30, but I just loved how unusual it is. It kind of has like a cape behind it. So I think this is going to look really kind of classy on, and I think styled right, this can be a really statement dress. So it is a V-neck, crisscross neckline kind of, oh no, it's just a V-neck, it doesn't crisscross. And then it just has this long kind of pleated skirt, and there's no slits in this one, so if you're not a fan of slits, this one might be one for you. But I think the plunging neckline just shows that little bit of skin that just makes it a bit more va-va-voom. So let's put this one on and just see what it looks like, because I think on a hanger you just can't see it because it's just so dark. Let's give it a go. So this is how it fits, and it's not a bad fit, but it's definitely not my style. I think it's just a bit too black for prom, and especially with the cape. I loved it as like an accessory, but I think it just makes it that little bit too much. I think it needs a bit of colour or a bit of sparkle, and it's a very plunging neckline, but I mean, it's cute. This is what it looks like. I'll just come back so you can see it. It's very long, so you can see it completely trails behind me, but with a pair of heels on it's just about workable, but I am stepping on the base of the dress, so just be wary that you might trip over yourself. But I've got to say, I like the pleats. I just think a different colour would be better, but it's definitely cute. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found today's video useful. As usual, everything will be linked down below if you'd like to get any of the dresses. But thank you again for watching. Like and subscribe for more. My social media is down below as well. But look after yourselves, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.